Hey guys, what is up, Awesome Boss Nation? Awesome, it's the awesomest, it's the bossomest, it's Awesome Boss here. Today I'm going to do a bit of a awesome tutorial on in MS Paint. For today's tutorial, I'm telling you how to kill and basically just kill flies 100 or 99.99% of the time. So that's a bit too small. So let's say this is you here, and then you see on your counter that there's a fly. So you think, how do I kill this? Now, what most we'll do, we'll grab a magazine and try to swat at the fly. But most of the time, the fly will fly away, you won't be able to get it, and then you're stuck with the fly still in your house, and you don't really know where it is. So, my tip and trick is that grab a spray bottle of something, so Windex, a spray bottle of water, and then you sneak up on them, and then you spray it at them. So here, he sneaks up on it, and he's about to spray, and my eyes! I'm just joking. Okay, that was just a joke. You really will want to have the bottle spraying towards the fly. So it's just a joke. Yeah. So then it sprays the fly, and it acts sort of as a stun, and then the fly can't fly away, so you can smush it with a paper towel, and then it's dead. And this will work 99.99% of the time. Yeah, this has been an awesome tip.